Welcome to our guide on the top 7 best transmission fluids for smooth gear shifting. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking for ways to enhance your vehicle's performance, the right transmission fluid can make all the difference. Today we'll delve into some of the best options on the market to help you achieve seamless gear transitions and prolong the life of your transmission. Let's get started. Number 1. Honda ATF Fluid 4-Pack 1KT/946 ml. Honda's Automatic Transmission Fluid, ATF, is a premium product designed with precision for all Honda vehicles. This specialized fluid is crafted to meet the rigorous specifications required for Honda transmissions, offering superior protection and optimal performance. The fluid's formulation is tailored to ensure smooth gear shifts, reducing the risk of transmission wear over time. Its advanced composition is designed to maintain stability under a wide range of temperatures, ensuring reliable performance whether in cold starts or high-speed conditions. The packaging of the Honda ATF fluid is as thoughtful as the product itself, with 4 1-quart bottles that make storage and application a breeze. This quantity is perfectly sized for a complete transmission fluid change or for periodic top-ups, making maintenance tasks simpler for Honda owners. The use of this ATF fluid can significantly extend the life of your vehicle's transmission, safeguarding your investment and enhancing your driving experience. Honda's commitment to excellence is evident in the meticulous development of their ATF fluid. By choosing Honda's ATF fluid, owners ensure that their vehicle receives the highest level of care, embodying the brand's legacy of quality and innovation. It's not just a fluid, it's a pledge of performance and reliability for your cherished Honda vehicle. Number 2. HotShots Secret Shift Restore Additive 32 ounces. HotShots Secret Shift Restore Additive emerges as a revolutionary solution for enhancing transmission performance. This 32-ounce powerhouse is engineered to tackle the challenges of rough and inconsistent gear shifts head-on. Its formula is a blend of cutting-edge additives that cleanse and lubricate the transmission system, significantly reducing friction and the risk of overheating. From the very first application, users can experience a noticeable improvement in the smoothness of gear transitions, breathing new life into the vehicle's transmission. This additive is versatile, suitable for a myriad of transmission types, which speaks volumes about its universal appeal and effectiveness. Whether it's an old classic or a modern powerhouse, the Shift Restore additive can provide the necessary rejuvenation to ensure a smoother ride. Its quality and innovative design reflect HotShots' dedication to resolving common vehicle issues, enhancing the longevity and efficiency of transmissions across a broad spectrum of vehicles. Choosing HotShots' Secret Shift Restore additive is more than just a maintenance decision. It's a commitment to maintain your vehicle at peak performance. The brand's focus on solving specific problems like gear shift issues with high-quality, effective solutions has made it go-to for vehicle owners seeking reliability and improved vehicle performance. Trust in HotShots to keep your vehicle running smoothly, mile after mile. Number 3. Lubegard Dr. Tranny Instant Shudder Fixx 2 ounces 2-pack. Lubegard's Dr. Tranny Instant Shudder Fixx stands out as a specialized solution specifically formulated to address and eliminate torque converter lockup shudder, one of the most pervasive issues in automatic transmissions. This package contains 2 2-ounce tubes, providing an instant and effective remedy to enhance your transmission's performance. The product's high-concentration friction modifier is engineered to target and rectify the root cause of shudder, delivering immediate improvement and contributing to a smoother, more responsive driving experience. The convenience and effectiveness of Dr. Tranny Instant Shudder Fixx make it a highly regarded choice among both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its user-friendly design allows for easy application without the need for professional tools or expertise, making it accessible for a quick fix that can drastically improve transmission function. This reflects Lubegard's understanding of their customers' needs for reliable, efficient solutions that can be applied with minimal hassle. Lubegard's innovation and expertise in transmission care are embodied in the Dr. Tranny Instant Shudder Fixx. This product not only provides a quick fix, but also contributes to the longevity and efficiency of your transmission, reinforcing Lubegard's reputation as a leader in automotive care solutions. With Dr. Tranny Instant Shudder Fixx, you're investing in a smoother ride and the ongoing performance of your vehicle's transmission. Number 4. XADO EX120 ATF Fixx CVT Gearbox Treatment. XADO's EX120 ATF Fixx is a cutting-edge treatment meticulously crafted for CVT gearboxes, setting a new standard in transmission care. This innovative product is renowned for its dual capabilities, enhancing gear shifting smoothness and providing repair and protection to the transmission system. At the heart of the EX120 formula are revitalizant nanoparticles. These tiny yet powerful particles actively target and repair worn-out surfaces within the transmission, significantly prolonging its lifespan and ensuring its optimal performance. The ease of application is another hallmark of this product, making it accessible to both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Compatibility with a wide array of CVT fluids broadens its applicability, catering to a diverse range of vehicles. This versatility, coupled with its unmatched durability and effectiveness, underscores XADO's commitment to excellence. The EX120 treatment represents the forefront of transmission care technology, offering vehicle owners an unparalleled solution to maintain their CVT gearbox in peak condition. Number 5. Lubegard 67010 CVT Recharge and Protect 10 Fluid Ounces. Lubegard's 67010 CVT Recharge and Protect is specifically formulated to boost the performance and extend the lifespan of continuously variable transmissions. This product, contained in a 10 fluid ounce package, integrates a proprietary blend of additives that rejuvenate and safeguard CVT systems. Its key functions include enhancing fluid durability, minimizing wear, and offering protection against high temperatures and the accumulation of varnish. The ease of use is a standout feature, allowing both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts to apply the product with minimal effort. Lubegard's commitment to quality is evident in the CVT Recharge and Protect, ensuring that transmissions are not only protected but also operate at their best. This product reflects the brand's dedication to innovation and excellence in the field of automotive maintenance, offering a reliable solution for maintaining CVT systems at peak efficiency. Number 6. Bars Leaks Transmission Stop Leak 11 ounces Gray. Bars Leaks Transmission Stop Leak is a potent formula designed to effectively address and prevent leaks within the transmission system. This 11-ounce solution is versatile, working seamlessly with all types of transmission fluids to halt leaks promptly. Beyond merely stopping leaks, it is engineered to prevent future issues, offering a proactive approach to transmission maintenance. The user-friendly design of the product ensures that it can be applied easily, eliminating the need for professional tools or in-depth mechanical knowledge. Bars Leaks is renowned for the durability and quality of its products, and this transmission stop leak is no exception. It serves as a cost-effective and reliable method for preserving the integrity and performance of vehicle transmission systems, reinforcing the brand's reputation for excellence in automotive repair solutions. Number 7. Seafoam Trans Tomb TT 16 ounces White. Seafoam's Trans Tomb TT 16 stands out as a comprehensive solution for cleaning and conditioning vehicle transmission systems. Packaged in a 16-ounce bottle, it is compatible with all transmission fluid types, offering a versatile treatment option. The product is formulated to dissolve harmful deposits and condition the seals, contributing to improved shift smoothness and extended transmission life. The reputation of Seafoam for producing high-quality automotive care products is well supported by the performance of Trans Tomb TT 16. It is an ideal choice for individuals seeking to maintain or enhance their transmission's performance. With its focus on reliability and innovation, Seafoam continues to deliver products that meet the needs of modern vehicles, ensuring optimal functionality and longevity of transmission systems. In conclusion, choosing the right transmission fluid or additive can significantly impact the performance and longevity of your vehicle's transmission. Each product we discussed today offers unique benefits, from improving gear shifting smoothness to protecting against wear and tear. Remember, taking care of your transmission is crucial for ensuring a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. Thank you for joining us, and happy driving.